Bob, what are you doing? You can't eat the supply. What?
The coon didn't get to this.
Bob, I'm stuck. My foot is stuck.
Got that mud on you. Got that mud. I told you we had 4 inches of rain. I saw a yellow meat too. There he is right there.
Bob, what is this? The elusive.
That's a yellow meat. But it's gonna be a while before we get him. It's just wet and we just have them trying to get out of here. All you J's down here, a lot of them might be better. Must be bad, they try to get to it.
I see another scratch marks. Jays are getting big though.
Put on the scale and see what you got. That's the biggest one.
Put on scale. What's that?
What it says, Mike? I don't know. Huh?
27.
Okay, you got 27 pounds on them. That's one of the bigger ones. What you got to say, Mike?
That's amazing.